murdered there.
Fasting beast. You want to beat the system? You have to become the system. How you become the system? By dissociating with your own system. What is your own system? The thing that keep you stuck. Overeating, alcohol, drugs, wasting time. So, why you need to become your best version. This is why you need to become the best version of yourself. So you can, life is like a game. Like if you're gonna play a game, like a race cars, you need the best vehicle. You need the best car. You need to become, your body is your vehicle. So, you need to become the best. You need to become, in the best shape of your life. You need to work on your mind, work on your soul. You need everything. And that's why I flex those muscles, because I work on myself every single day. And it's not just about the muscle, it's about the mind, the mentality. You need to, if you want to conquer the world, you need to conquer your mind. Everything starts in the mind. I say this before and I say it again. Everything starts in the mind. You need to conquer your mind so you can conquer anything you want in life. I am the fasting beast.